Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are happy to announce that our free formula add-in has reached 100,000 downloads. Thanks for your support. Let's see the top 10 functions in 2 minutes. If you want to check that a number is between the lower and upper limit, use the between function. As you see, the syntax is simple. Okay, what if you want to check if a range contains a specific value? In this case, use the inRange function. The output will be true or false based on the criteria. To sum a range by color, apply a sum by color formula. If you want to summarize comma-separated values into a single cell, the sum CSV function is yours. For data cleaning projects, we provide various solutions. Simply remove AL special characters using the text clean function. Now it is easy to extract numeric values from a cell using the getNumbers function. If you want to sum values based on text criteria, use the sumText function. Sometimes you need to get the last value in a column. Use the last-in-column function. To summarize the top and highest value in a given range, use the sumHigh function. Finally, if you want to use lookup functions and return AL matching values, try this lookup function. In the next few months, we will implement even more functions into the add-in. Thanks for being with us today. For the latest Excel tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.